Hi, this is Mark from Stag Solar with another instalment of Solar Made Simple. At the end of our last video I promised to look at how we can maximise our solar PV generation, but before we do that I thought it's worth putting in a short section which explains how we use a smart meter to detect whether our home or business is importing electricity or exporting electricity and how much it is importing or exporting. So here we have the solar panels and inverter on the left, the property electrical supply on the right, and the smart meter below. By the way, this smart meter is not to be confused with your utility meter, which will also probably be a smart meter. This one is designed to operate specifically alongside the inverter. It measures import and export in real time specifically for the solar PV system, and so you as the client can gain a clear overview of your energy usage. I've used a simple analog display here for clarity. In reality the display will be digital. If the arrow moves into the red area on the left, it means that electricity is being imported from the grid, and if the arrow moves to the green area on the right, it means that electricity is being exported to the grid. As you will have noticed, the greater the current flow, the higher the meter reading. The meter uses a sensor that clamps around the cable that connects the property to the supply grid. This is known as a CT clamp. The CT clamp senses the flow of electric current in the cable without making a physical electrical connection. It simply clamps around the supply cable, so it can tell how much electricity is flowing and which direction it's moving, into the property or out to the supply grid. The CT sends that information to the meter converts it into digital data and then passes it on to the inverter. So that's all the smart meter's doing, detecting the amount and direction of electricity flowing between your property and the supply grid, and then passing this information onto the inverter, which in turn sends this vital information to us over the internet, as seen in the previous video. So in the next video we're going to see what this means for your bills and how to make the most of your solar system. This is often referred to as optimizing self-consumption. So it's goodbye from me for now, and as ever, we're here to help you on your solar journey.